PlanManager is the most complete process automation tool for the comprehensive digital control of the entire repair cycle. Juan runs a workshop, and PlanManager enables him to control everything that is going on in his business in real time and from anywhere. When a client gets in touch with Juan's workshop, the person entrusted with the management of appointments registers her data, and PlanManager immediately facilitates him with the real capacity of the workshop and the availability of the replacement vehicles in accordance with the customer's needs, thereby guaranteeing that the process is dealt with in a quick, efficient manner. On the day of the appointment, the after-sales service advisor will take photos of the vehicle, which are then sent to the system digitally and in real time. Will provide the client with the necessary explanations and will manage the replacement vehicle agreement. Moreover, the client will be able to sign the documentation digitally, which will be sent automatically by email. Both the vehicle's entry record and all the information generated by the workshop will be saved in real time, so it is available to everyone else at the workshop. PlanManager will enable the workshop team lead to plan his technicians' tasks quickly and easily, in addition to providing integration with estimation software to further facilitate such work. Team leads will also have visual alarms at their disposal for the monitoring of their workshops and to identify delays and incidents that can be replanned using the manual or semi-automatic option with just a few clicks. When conducting vehicle repairs, technicians can easily see their assigned tasks, log in to register their times, photograph breakdowns, and report any unforeseen circumstances, of which the other departments will be notified automatically, informing the client of any new incidents without technicians stop working. To conclude, technicians will be able to take photographs and document their work with digital quality controls. At the time of delivering the vehicle, PlanManager will facilitate the management of the complete process of returning the replacement vehicle. The customer will digitally sign for the delivery of the replacement vehicle and the collection of her own repaired vehicle, and will receive the invoice and documentation digitally by email. Both the invoice and all the job's information will be saved digitally in the customer's historic record. The digitized process will provide the workshop's managers with all the necessary information in real time to monitor their processes and analyze their business with dynamic and detailed reports for the optimization of workshop management itself. PlanManager has enabled Juan to increase the capacity of his workshop, reduce downtime, speed up repairs, and improve the customer experience. However, the most important thing is having the peace of mind of knowing that everything is running more smoothly due to the automation of processes, the accessibility of information, and the unification of communications. Boost your profitability and customer satisfaction. Go digital with PlanManager.